Welcome back, guys. This is Leland bringing you another update of the GRT and the NuCypher. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe if you are new, and hit the bell notification because you don't want to miss out on these GRT and NuCypher updates. Before we get started, guys, I have a couple of things to talk to you about. I am coming out with a book. I have put a compilation of open source materials in this book that describe all of the TAs that I use. It talks about Bitcoin and blockchain and anything around crypto. It's going to be amazing, and I will be dropping this book in about a week. I want you guys to check that out. Secondly, we have started a Telegram group. This Telegram group is amazing, guys. So many talented people talking about crypto, possible buys in certain altcoins we look at, and if you come in, you can ask me for a TA. You can request a coin, and I will do a TA live for you on Telegram. It is amazing. I am linking the Telegram below in the description. Go check it out, guys. Go join the Telegram. Amazing things going on in there. You don't want to miss it. Let's go ahead and get started in the charts. With this trend line, we were acting as resistance. We came down for a little bit, and I got a little worried, but I was like, nope, this is GRT. We're going back up. Since then, we've gone back up, and this is on a daily chart, guys. We came down, and we hit support perfectly right on that trend line, and we are resuming off, attempting to break that dollar. I remember, I told you this dollar is going to be hard to break, but I want to go ahead and show you this bullish hammer. It's amazing. This is on the 4-hour chart. This bullish hammer is an indication for further upside. And you can tell just because look at the wick. See the wick? Look at all this buying pressure coming back up. People saw that this 91 cent area was amazing support, and they bought it up. They bought it up and they took it all the way up, creating this bullish hammer, looking very good. Now, mixed with the bullish hammer, we have the MACD showing us hidden bullish divergence while price action is moving up. This is huge, guys. This is massive. I'm expecting to see some huge upsides, especially with this green on this oscillator right now. Looking over at the RSI, you can see we are not even overbought. Not even a little bit. And I do expect that we probably can run this thing hot. These last two highs over here on the RSI were about 77. That's not even close to being hot, guys. We can run this thing to 90, 95, 97, and we can go past $1. Areas of support that we are looking at right now is 92 cents. This is a crucial support. You can see how it was resistance back here, and we flipped it into supports. Amazing. It's beautiful. Below that, we did have 78 cents as a major support. You can see how it was resistance back here. Whoops. It was resistance back there. And we came down. We tested 72 cents. We got above it, came back down, touched 78 cents as supports, and we are moving up. That's really good. Areas of that I am wanting to see that we break is this $1. We have to break that $1. Once we get above $1, we are looking at 110 as resistance for the short term. These round numbers are going to be something that we're going to be looking at, guys. We're going to be looking at after we break $1, $1.50, $2, $2.50, $3. These are going to be the next obstacles for GRT in the future. Here's a short-term Fibonacci retracement. I went ahead and I went from the swing high over here, which is about 66 cents. That was on January 18th to a swing low on January 22nd. And you can see how these lines are just working just so perfectly. How this golden E ratio, which is this yellow line right here, 73 cents, was acting as support. Once we got above 73 cents as support, we came up and we hit 76 cents as support on the Fibonacci sequence. After that, we came up and we hit 104 as resistance. This is our resistance that we want to break through. We want to see getting above $1 and breaking that 104, holding it as support, retesting it before we can go up and hit $1.50. Guys, that is the next target I am looking for after we break 104 and retest. I do think that is going to happen. Stay tuned. If we don't hold this support down here at $1, I'm sorry, at 91 cents, do expect to be breaking down 91 cents and coming down and touching 81 cents. If we break through 81 cents, we are looking for 73 cents, and after that, 66 cents. And at our last resort, listen, are you listening?
Look here. Look, listen.
60 cents is our stop loss. Anything below 60 cents, we want nothing to do with GRT. For the meantime, no buys. We're going to be looking how low it's going to be going, looking at supports down below, and looking at possible buying opportunities down there. If that happens, I pray it happens. I know you guys don't want to hear this, but I want cheap GRT. I want it. But sadly, it's not going to happen. I'll tell you that right now. We will not ever see a 60-cent GRT ever again. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe if you are new, and let's move on to the NuCypher. Oh my God, it's looking so beautiful. Check out this 48 cents as support. That is huge, guys. We have this massive blast off candle. This is a daily chart. Massive blast off on the 5th of February. We came up. We were down here, guys, at 33 cents. We blasted and we went all the way up to almost 70 cents. Guys, we doubled in a day at that time. It was huge. I was telling you guys, don't take, this is not a time to be buying. Do not buy up here. We can't hold it. We're overbought. And since then, we've come down and we've tested the 48 cents as support, even coming as low as 43 cents. This would have been a great buying opportunity. If you watch my last video, I was talking about a throwback to the 41 cent area. It didn't come back and touch completely, but we got really close. And sometimes TA is not perfect, but I do my best to try to predict the future. Anyways, 48 cents holding up as supports. Currently, we are above 52 cents, which is really good, guys. What we want to see is we want to come back down, test 52 cents, and come up and try to break 57 cents. This is your area for the NuCypher. We need to break 57 cents, test it as support, and resume off. And I kid you not, guys, we will be coming up and hitting 83 cents. I told you guys in a couple of videos ago, once we break all-time highs, doubling after that will be coming very quickly. And I'm talking about within a week, maybe 2 weeks, we will double after 41 cents to go up and hit 83 cents. Looking really good. Check out this hidden bullish divergence happening. Same thing with GRT. Same thing happened in NuCypher. It's interesting how all these coins are linked together and they all run off of Bitcoin's juju. And it's just amazing how they all kind of look very similar. And we do TA because we want to make sure that we're hitting our targets and we want to find areas of support. And you want to find your buyings and your selling opportunities in those positions. This is why we do TA. Yes, we are in a bull market and we are going up. But where are you going to take your position? Where are you going to put your stop loss? None of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just simply providing the data for you guys. Hidden bullish divergence on the MACD. RSI, not even overbought, not even a little bit. We're sitting over here at the 63 on the RSI. And check out this last high that we had over here on NuCypher. The RSI came up and hit 97. That is hot. That is so hot. And we came back down ever since and we've gotten back below the 70. That's really good. We've consolidated, especially because look at the high that we had over here. Almost 70 cents. We've come down, we're rounding out, and we're holding this trend line currently right now. Looking really good for NuCypher. Possible buying opportunities around this time if we hold this trend line. We have to hold this trend line, and it's very important that if we get below, we close a 4-hour candle on the NuCypher below 50 cents or even hitting 50 cents and closing a candle. That will be a little bearish on the short term. I do expect to be having a jump back up. Possible areas of support that we could be looking at, guys. We could come back down and touch 48 cents. As you can see, this has been a massive support level for the NuCypher. After that, you guys already know 41 cents is our next area of support. When we break all-time highs, guys, when we break these all-time highs, it is very common for us to come up, come back down, and touch 41 cents. That is very possible. If that happens, this is your buying opportunity. I cannot stress it enough. This is where you're going to want to take your positions. Not financial advice. Breaking above 57 cents, looking really good for the NuCypher right now. I just wanted to show you guys these charts. Hit the like button. Please hit that like button. And if you are new, hit the subscribe button. We are hitting all of our targets and people are doing really well on this channel. Hit that bell notification so you can get these updates. My name is Leland. And remember, guys, it's all about the TA. I'll catch you guys in the next one.